What up, everybody? It's your boy Trey Strongs, aka the Elevated Chef, as most of the successfully stoned foodies already know because they hit subscribe, the bell next to it to be notified every time that I'm dropping dank videos on you like this one, as well as the like button just because they like to show that extra love. I think if we could all just show a little bit more love to each other, the world would be in a lot better place. And I know that's super cliche to say, but I said it.
Yeah, I said it.
I said it. I'm just that person that is always trying to put out good energy, good karma, good things, make whoever I'm dealing with interaction with me brighten their day, influence positive as best as I can. I just feel like maybe there's a little scale out there somewhere that nobody can reach that keeps tabs on these types of things, so it never hurts to put out a little bit of that extra good vibe. Good vibration. Speaking of good vibes, if you didn't already know, your boy Trey Strongs is over on twitch.tv/TreyStrongs420 every Tuesday for the Rolling Tray, where we're just getting down with some goofy shit, good vibes, rolling up, session. It's a whole vibe, and I don't mean to overuse the word, but it's literally that. It's just a really chill kind of vibe. I'm gonna say it again. I don't know. It's just the whole thing that's created with me, the homie Craze, and special guests. And it's something I would love for you to come kick it with us on a Tuesday evening, catch a vibe, because that's like Monday Junior. It's never really that great of a day. Well, I mean, it is if you're coming and kicking it with us. Other than that, we're live on Twitch on Wednesdays, usually following Top Buds live, which if you don't already know, check those guys out, doing it real big. You already know the boy Rob and P. After Top Buds live is Elevated Chef Reacts, which is a lot of the clip down version that you guys get over here on YouTube, just to give you a little snippet, a little sneak peek of what we do over there. We do just all sorts of internet clips, mainly food based. Somehow an egg is always worked in there. It's become like a counter, like when isn't it? Hey, gonna pop up and freak Trey out. Again, a whole vibe. Come kick it with us, submit some clips, and watch me react to them, because just when I think I've seen it all,
you haven't seen anything yet.
I really haven't. So with that being said, here's another little sneak peek of Elevator Chef Reacts over on twitch.tv/TreyStrongs420. Just come over, kick it with us over there. It's a little bit more cut loose. I'm over there, Pigeons420 is over there, ROBCLTV is over there.
The whole gang there.
It's becoming more and more the place to be, and we'll get little snippets over here on YouTube, but I just wanted to kind of make an official video. Well, I have official videos, but make this video more of an official invite. Hey, come on over. I know you're here. You've seen the Elevated Chef over on YouTube. You've seen the recipes that we're doing, and we drop over here the more kind of constructed, tutorialized version, along with some sneak peeks. But if you want to be in it for the live show, the stuff that you wouldn't see if you weren't there live, come kick it with us. And yeah, it'll be a good time. I can promise you that.
And I promise.
But you're going to have a good time watching just a sneak peek of what we do over there. So let's go get it. And is that it? I think that's it, y'all. Stay lifted. Yo, what's going down out there in the Twitch universe? It's your boy Trey Strongs, and welcome to Elevator Chef Reacts. It's motherfucker Wednesday. There's like no video on it, or no sound on this. Whoa.
Okay.
Try that on y'all's next dab and see if it fucking works.
Okay then.
I don't know if I'm gonna light the next blunt with a Lego lighter, bro. I'll be sitting there all day. I'll be frustrated. It'll be a whole thing. I'll get angry. I'll be like, damn, Trey was cool. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know. I was like, that just wasn't as satisfying, I guess. Like, even less satisfying the second time. You know, when I told y'all that, like, hey, I'd be way too high for that. I'd be wanting to eat into some shit. It just, he did all that just to make a square Lego brick.
That's what I was thinking. I'm like,
it just wasn't that creative. Like Landon said, it was a lot of editing. Or, you know, like I said before, on the production value, dope, but like at the same time, bro, I'm high as fuck. Don't be playing around, giving me a fucking brick of Lego and then telling me not to eat Lego. The fuck? Not okay. Not okay. Oh my god. Like, does Keebler Elf sharpen your knife, bro? What is going on?
It's just not burnt yet.
Bro. Oh my god. This is slightly great.
There's the little baby condiments. Okay.
Little Polly Pocket spoon and shit. And we're still using the nose tweezers. Little baby ass Coke, get out of here. let me find out. Let me find out that refrigerator actually works and shit.
Oh, that worked for literally less than a bite.
Oh, we got fries. They forgot the fries on the side. Did you want fries with that?
Oh man, you should put the fries first, player.
Hey, real shit. This motherfucker is a chef beyond the motherfuckers that be working at the Archers. Let's be honest.
You don't get no 2 burger patties on your freaking McDonald's burger.
Look, he lit the little pilot and everything. Hell no. Oh my god, this is awesome.
I'm gonna fry in small batches.
For real. 2 at a time.
Look like those little potato sticks.
Right. America. Is that ketchup? Because it looks like sweet and sour.
I don't know, it's real pale. Oh shit.
Oh, stop it.
What?
Bro. You didn't even have that many gulps. Quit playing with me.
That wasn't even a gulp. That literally like wet your tongue a little bit.
Like, this is like the size of the top of my pinky right here. This little burger and shit. Right.
Oh
this my son might even smash on this hard, bro. My baby is a fat ass. He act like ain't nobody feed him since we brought him home from the hospital. Okay, the titty and the bottle in trouble with my son. He might look at me like, this is all you giving me? You know what I mean? I mean, this is cute, don't get me wrong. And look, at least it's real food. At least you can eat this shit. This ain't no motherfucking Legos, okay? This might look like a Barbie Coke and shit. But this is real deal, you know what I mean? Okay? I just can't do it. What the hell in fucking crack rock prison is going on here?
Right? What the fuck?
Hell no. Chef D Block is out here. Where are you at, bro? He's got, I got the toilet wine on Fine and Dine. Look at all the toilet paper you got going on. Where you find a lighter at? This thing out here. Oh my god. There's so much going on right now. Oh my god. They are getting it.
It's a full-on feast.
Is this chick wearing a hamburger suit? Does she not look like a hamburger, y'all? Am I tripping? There's a motherfucking bun, the lettuce, tomato.
Oh yeah, dead ass, huh?
Burger, the buns. Oh my lord. Yep, she damn sure dressed like a burger. And what is this? This looks like your kids made it, and you know you take the fake bite, well, you know, this is great. Throw it over your shoulder type shit. They getting extra with it. I don't know if I agree with this still don't. This still look like it got some toothpicks and shit in it. You know what I mean?
Right.
Deal. Great. Thank you.
I'm not familiar. You got one of those out by you?
Oh boy.
No. Wait, Jack in the Box?
I was in the mood for some tacos, and I looked on your website, and you have these really great looking tacos.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll go for 2 tacos
Yeah.
for 99 cents. Thanks.
Are they a taco place?
That is a deal.
So they're a bit of
Great.
everything.
Thank you.
They're like a stoner fast
All right.
food.
Let's see what these
Okay.
things look like. Oh boy.
I don't know. I don't have anything to compare
You
this
have
to.
these really great looking tacos, but then in reality they kind of look like this.
Everyone knows that's what
Very
you get
different.
at Jack in the Box.
Can you make them look like that? Oh, great. Thank you.
Every single one of these people, you know, are just
Look
pissed.
what
They're
you
like,
did.
fuck you,
You
dude.
made them look like the picture. That's for you.
Just for you, motherfucker. Now get out. This still no. No.
I don't know.
No. Because first of all, that's real lettuce. This lettuce is probably that fake ass clone cabbage shit that we seen the other day. With some fucking syringed whatever this is. This ain't even cheese. This is probably like, I don't know. You know,